Vai novinha, se intimida, vem, joga com pressão. Joga a rabeta pra lá, 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 joga a rabeta pra lá,
But he lost, if he loses. Yeah.
Follow.
Oh,
Why did you kill him? What?
He kept saying yeah. He kept saying yeah. No, I wasn't.
Nah, get back.
No, I wasn't saying it.
Ah! Yes, you were. Yes, he was saying yeah.
Please,
he was saying
don't
yeah.
kill me.
Okay, give him one more chance. And if he
Give me
says
one more
yeah,
chance.
if he says yeah again, he gets killed. So
Yeah.
we're gonna do red light, green light. We're gonna do red light, green light.
No, I said yes. I said yeah.
We're doing red light, green light, anyways. Okay, I'm gonna start from over there. If one of y'all move, y'all know what's gonna happen. You are a guard, and you're a player. Yeah! Mukongwa kochi PM stangira. Yeah, he did move. He did move. It's time for your
Guys, I'm back. Okay, guys, I'll start from there. Stop.
Okay.
Okay, good boy. Good boy.
I got 2 Doritos. I got 2 Cheetos. I got 2 cheese.
Ooh, Cheetos.
2 hot Cheetos. Are you serious? Nope, you're banned. You're banned from being a guard. You're banned from being a guard. Now you're a player.
You said it's Cheetos. Cheetos.
If they weren't real Cheetos. Yup, you're banned from being a guard. Go over there right now.
I thought.
Go over there.
You're not nice anymore.
Help! Help, chat! Help! Take this. Help, chat! Help! Please keep saying yeah. Please keep saying yeah. I want him to get this stuff. I can't.
Yeah. Stop saying don't tell him to say yeah. Yeah, but don't never tell me to say it. Shoot him again. Shoot him again.
Yup, you're gonna get banned from being a guard. Punishment.
You stop.
Keep spam killing him right now.
Trolling little kids in a private lobby.
Trolling little kids in private lobbies.
This is my private lobby. Trolling little kids in private lobby. Fuck.
Who said it was yours? Bonk, 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 bonk.
Bam, 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 bam. kill him.
Yeah, I'm the ball. I'm the doll. Okay, I'm gonna go back. We're doing red light, green light again, because everyone's ruining it. Oh. Follow me, guys. Follow me. Yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna start recording. Yeah, we're gonna stop recording. Yeah! Okay, bye-bye. Welcome, guys. Today